All right, bit of an update. This is one of the old Vermiculite Firebricks that we made, and I'll link all the videos below. Now, I wanted to compare this with this. So, from the last Perlite Oven that I made, we had some leftover mix, so we thought, well, we'll just make it into a Firebrick, and we'll compare the two between the Perlite Firebrick and the Vermiculite Firebrick. Now, there's a bit of difference because this one hasn't got sand in it. This one has. But I'm going to compare 4 things. So the hardness, the durability, the thermal resistance, and just generally the quality of it. Because having used the DIY Mini Forge a few times, and the latest client that we made the oven for, he's given me some really good feedback about this Firebrick. So I'm going to compare those 4 things right now. So in terms of hardness, I think it's pretty obvious to see that I can break off the Vermiculite Firebrick quite easy. It's not that hard, and it almost has a kind of soft quality to it. And if it bangs around, as you can see, it kind of almost flattens the corner off there. So not very hard. The Perlite, on the other hand, so this was just the mix that we used for the Perlite oven. I can't remember it off the top of my head. I'll put it in the description below. This is extremely hard. The edges, I mean, they can pick off with a bit of effort, but generally speaking, it's very, very hard. Now, in terms of durability, well, I would say that this one would win hands down over this one. And in terms of thermal resistance, the feedback I've got about this mix that we used with the white cement, it's so white because we use white cement. The owner of that oven, the latest oven, has said it's been amazing. It's holding the temperatures really, really well. And he can put his hand on the outside of the oven and there's hardly any heat. So if I was to make another oven, I'd definitely be inclined to go with Perlite over Vermiculite. But today we're talking about Firebricks, and I think generally, if I'm going to make another little mini forge, I'm going to use Perlite, not Vermiculite. So there's a number of reasons. Number one, I think it's just going to last a lot longer, a bit more durable, it's harder, less likely to break if it's being transported around. And I think just generally this one, just because it's so soft, it's just not going to last as long. In terms of weight, I can't really give an accurate comparison because this one is a lot smaller. But I think the Perlite mix may be a bit lighter as well. So just a little bit of feedback there. I'd be interested to hear your comments. If anybody's actually made any of these, or if anybody has made their own Firebricks with different mixes or different materials, I'd love to hear your feedback about that.